Hi there. Today we will learn about the keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Generally we go to Start and type Word or Excel or PowerPoint. And click on the icon to start the app. But no more. Let's learn how. On your keyboard press Shift, Control, Windows, Alt and W. Microsoft Word comes. Now use it. Same way, press Shift, Control, Windows, Alt and X. Microsoft Excel appears. And finally, PowerPoint. Press Shift, Control, Windows, Alt and P. PowerPoint is there. So you can see, W for Word, X for Excel and P for PowerPoint. This is how you can simply bring Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with keyboard shortcut. We upload useful tech tutorials. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.